Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today, and we're unboxing another one of our range hoods, this time the PLJW 108 wall range hood. We're going to take everything out of the box that it comes with and prepare it for installation, so get ready to follow along. Now we've got everything taken out of the box, so obviously we're going to have our range hood here. We have our stainless steel baffle filters and grease tray that's going to come in its own separate box. We also have another box that's going to have the transition piece, as well as your power cord, manual, and the hardware that you'll need to use to install the range hood itself. And then separately will come the mounting bracket. So those are the pieces that'll come in the range hood. We're going to set these things aside and take a look at the range hood first. Gone ahead and removed the protective covering from the range hood, so now we can see inside and talk a little bit about it. Now this is our PLJW 108 range hood. It has a couple different sizes that you guys can choose from, whatever is best for your home, all the way from 30 inches up to 48 inches. It also comes in a couple different stainless steel options, 430 stainless steel or a premium 304 stainless steel. Now that is also going to change some of your blower choices. What we're looking at today on our 430 stainless steel option in the 42 inch range hood is a 1000 CFM blower. But if you guys decide to go with the 304 premium stainless steel, you guys can get up to 2 blowers, both 1000 CFM. So a dual blower setup, 2000 CFM in total, super powerful for any cooking environment you need. Now that we've talked about some of the specifications for the hood, we've gone ahead and removed our stainless steel baffle filters and grease tray from that separate box they come in. So to install these, it's very easy. If we take our grease tray first, it's very easy to put in. There's a slot that's made for it, so we'll drop it right here into the bottom of the range hood, and then you guys will feel where you can put it in. It'll just kind of slide into place there. Now that we've got our grease tray put into place, we're going to install our stainless steel baffle filters. So kind of the same thing, nice and easy. We'll drop it here into the bottom and then look back up to the top. There's going to be a slot that you guys can put it into and then pull that bottom back into place and it will sit great. These are awesome because they're dishwasher safe. They're very durable and they last forever. They're easy to clean. So we're just going to install all 3 of these and then we'll move on to the next step. So now that we've got our baffle filters installed, we're going to take a look at our LED lights here, just located underneath the range hood. Depending on the size of your range hood, you might have a different amount than we do here. We have the 42 inch model, so we have 3 different LED lights. These are great. They last a lifetime. They're very easy to remove or replace if you ever need to, and it's great for any low light cooking environment. If you're in a dark space, it's going to be plenty of light for you. Now, if we take a look up from our LED lights, we're going to see our stainless steel button control panel. This is where you'll control everything on the range hood. You can turn the power on and off. You can turn the lights on and off, and then you can also control the 4-speed option that the blower has in the range hood, whether that's the highest and most powerful setting up to speed 4 or down to the lowest and most quiet on our speed 1 setting. So there you guys have it. That's going to be our PLJW 108 wall range hood. Again, don't forget, whatever you guys need there at home, we have it for you, whether it's a 30-inch option all the way up to 48 inches. This hood's going to come in that. We also have the different stainless steel options. If you're looking for 430 stainless steel, something more classic, or that premium stainless steel look, we've got that for you too. That's going to come with those dual blowers and give you that extra power. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any other questions regarding your range hood, and check out our full catalog at prolinehoods.com. Thank you guys so much.